vo into ka fapa pastor ani na a church kan han leng do na he helai mong hian he hi nia helam pang hi Sabbath school room te nia community hall te po a oma kan lo share ve mai mayang cheu.
Hey, honey.
Oh, it's warm and nice.
Dang it! I opened the other
one. Maybe I could explain some of the. Oh, this is where your office is, right? Right there.
Yeah, well, my office is
Okay, come on. Hi. Hi, Bag. What you doing, baby?
Daddy's coming.
Yeah, Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming.
This is Pastor Rod's office. Oh my gosh, it's a disaster.
After all, when
He calls himself a pastor. Can you believe that? Mila, are you reading the Bible?
No.
What? You're not reading this Bible?
No.
Oh no.
Only a vanilla bar.
Okay, vanilla bar, yeah.
Daddy.
How many members do you have?
Daddy.
300 to 500.
I'll tell you already.
Tell me that you said the community is using some parts of your church? How many church members you have here in Nashville? I mean, Foster. Okay, hold on.
Hey, Nashville. What?
Hey, here for Roda office and your church office. But tell me a little bit about your church.
There's 300 members on a given church service, 500 on the books, and we have a church that exists for the community here. So we have a community service center that feeds roughly 100 people once a month.
Helai mun hi a 4-year antia biak in chungchang ma adai dan na ania tu na hian hei hi akong kapui ania nung lama tangin kan kala amu theya chuan so lai son stage a ama tin an tuk ver zong hi stained glass an da veka a special a to po to viawang an siam naman in huang hian drum si helai hian oma thalai an tama music lam hi antina sa hle ni helai balcony tang hianin an AV le music le sound zong anti chuak vekani tikwan amu theya.
And for our opening song.
Worthy of every song we could ever sing, worthy of all the praise we could ever bring, worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you. Beside you, open up my eyes in wonder and show me who you are and fill me with your love and lead me in your love to those around me.
What God is doing into each other's lives, I think there's a special connection that is fostered. and we're trying to foster love into each other's life. And we know that love isn't something that manifests in our hearts necessarily.
Hey, this is my son Rod. He's associate pastor here at Foster Church. Hi Rod, how you doing?
Good.
So tell us a little bit about Foster. What's Foster about?
I can't even do it.
We're here at Foster SDA Church in Asheville, North Carolina.